Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Salsabila Annisa Rohma, and today I would like to present about novel report. The first novel is The Little Prince. The narrator, a pilot, crash lands his plane in the Sahara Desert. While he takes to repair his engine and monitor his dwindling supply of water and food, a little boy appears out of nowhere and simply asks him to draw a ship. The author then learns that this little prince comes from the faraway asteroid B612, where he left a rose and 3 volcanoes. The prince's most prized possession was the rose, but her temperatures and freshness tired him, and he decided to leave his tiny planet. To his surprise, the flower was visibly sad to see him go, but she urged him on nonetheless. Before arriving on Earth, the prince visited other planets and met with strange individuals: a king, a vain man, a drunkard, a lamplighter, and a geographer. At the geographer's suggestions, he visited Earth but dropped down into the Sahara Desert. He found no friends there, but a snake told him that if he ever needed to return to his home planet, he could take advantage of the snake's bite. He met a fox that taught him to realize that to know others we must tame them. This is what makes things and people unique. The essential is invisible to the eye, says the fox. The narrator grows to love and carries the small boy, marveling at how fragile he seems though he adopts a senior series. He and the boy find a well and drink for it, which saves the narrator's life, but he later, right as he is about to joyfully tell the prince he's fixed his engine, happens upon the prince talking to a yellow snake about patience. The plan is for the prince to reunite with his rose, but this is utterly devastating to the narrator. Nevertheless, the boy lets the snake bite him and falls over into the sand. The narrator cannot find his body the next day, so he hopes that the boy is not dead. The narrator returns to his life, but always wonders about the prince and hopes he returns. He asks reader to let him know if they ever meet the prince. Then the second novel is Scarlet's Web. After a little girl named Faith Arable pleads for the life of the run of a litter of beagles, her father gives her the pig to nurture, and she names him Wilbur. She treats him as a pet, but a month later, Wilbur is no longer small and is sold to Franz Angel, Hammer Zuckman. In Zuckman's backyard, Wilbur yearns for companionship but is snubbed by the other animals. He is befriended by a barn spider named Scarlet, whose web sits in a doorway overlooking Wilbur's enclosure. Reasoning that Zuckman would not kill a famous pig, Scarlet weaves words and short phrases in praise of Wilburn into her web. This makes Wilburn and the barn as a whole into tourist attraction, as many people believe the webs to be miracles. Wilbur is eventually entered into the country fair, and Charlotte, as well as the barn rat Templeton, accompany him. He fails to win the Blue Ribbon, but is awarded a special prize by the judge. Charlotte hears the presentation of the award over the public address system and realizes that the prize means Zuckman will carry Wilburn for as long as the pig lives, and will never slaughter him for his meat. Meanwhile, Fran, who has matured significantly since the beginning of the novel, loses interest in Wilburn and starts paying more attention to boys her age. She misses most of the fairs even in order to go on the Ferris wheel with Henry Fuzzy, one of her classmates. Wilburn wait out the winter, a winter he would not have survived but for Carlet. Okay, thank you.